Welcome to our exploration of elements, the fundamental building blocks of all matter in the universe. Everything you see around you, from the air you breathe to the ground you walk on, is made up of elements. Understanding elements is essential to understanding chemistry and the physical world. An element is a pure substance that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by any chemical means. This means no matter what chemical reactions you perform, you cannot split an element into anything simpler. For example, gold is an element. You can melt it, hammer it, or mix it with other substances, but you cannot chemically break gold down into anything simpler than gold itself. Elements have four key characteristics that define them. First, they are made of only one type of atom. Second, they cannot be decomposed or broken down chemically into simpler substances. Third, each element has unique properties that distinguish it from all other elements. And fourth, every element is represented by a chemical symbol, usually one or two letters. Let's look at some common elements you encounter every day. Oxygen, represented by the symbol O, is the gas we breathe. Hydrogen, symbol H, is the lightest element and a component of water. Carbon, symbol C, is found in all living things and forms diamonds and graphite. Nitrogen, symbol N, makes up most of our atmosphere. Gold, with the symbol Au, is a precious metal used in jewelry. And iron, symbol Fe, is used to make steel and is essential for our blood. Every element is made of atoms, and each atom has a specific structure. At the center is the nucleus, which contains protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged particles, while neutrons have no charge. Surrounding the nucleus are electrons, which are negatively charged particles that orbit the nucleus. The atomic number of an element is determined by the number of protons in its nucleus. This atomic number is unique to each element and defines its identity. All known elements are organized in the periodic table, which is an organized chart that arranges elements by their atomic number and similar properties. Currently, there are 118 known elements. Of these, 94 occur naturally on Earth, while the rest have been created artificially in laboratories. The periodic table is one of the most important tools in chemistry because it helps us predict how elements will behave and interact. Elements are divided into three main categories based on their properties. Metals are shiny substances that conduct heat and electricity well. Most elements are metals, including iron, copper, and gold. Nonmetals are dull in appearance and are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Examples include oxygen, carbon, and sulfur. Metalloids have properties of both metals and nonmetals. They are sometimes conductors and sometimes insulators, making them useful in electronics. Silicon is a common metalloid. Understanding elements is crucial for several reasons. First, elements are the building blocks of all matter in the universe. Everything is made from combinations of these elements. Second, knowledge of elements is essential for understanding chemical reactions and how substances interact. Third, elements are critical for biology, medicine, and technology. Many elements are essential for life, and understanding their properties allows us to develop new medicines, materials, and technologies that improve our world.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.